If I cheat on you, will you break up with me?
No, I will break your head.
That means you love me, right?
No, but I would love to see you without a head.
Tell me, did you know any woman before me?
Yes.
Who was she?
Mom, sister, grandma, and I knew them all before you.
I'm talking about a woman you might have had a relationship with, someone you loved before loving me.
And who said I love you now?
Then why did you marry me if you don't love me?
All mankind makes mistakes. Except me.
Except you? So your marriage to me wasn't a mistake.
Exactly. It wasn't a mistake.
Then what was it?
It was a misdemeanor. I should be in prison by now.
Then why are you still with me, huh?
Because I'm serving my punishment. It's like I'm spending my days in prison. And I deserve it.
Good. Because your parole has just been denied.
Life sentence confirmed.